The OR operator allows us to select all the statements in a database as long as one of two conditions is met. If we change the last name in this example back to King, we know that the resulting output will be 0 records. But take a look at what happens if we change the operator from AND to OR. Now we have 2 records outputted. The reason is we have one record where the first name is Ted, but we also have another record where the last name is King. Since only one out of 2 conditions have to be met, we get an output of both records.